As you can see, I made a furnace in a really snowy world next to a frozen river. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to build it. So what you're going to need to do, I just destroy those lights because that's what I'm going to build a furnace. So cobblestone. And do 1, 3 blocks tall. This room's quite small. I just have to make it up so it goes outside. Hey, it's not on the roof. Oh. Well, I didn't realise it was no snow. Just because there was a snowstorm just before I started doing this video. I didn't realise it covered the whole roof. Anyway, let's get on. So after you've done the cobblestone, you'll need iron bars. So go across the front, all the way up. Right there. Then you can get an iron trapdoor. Just iron, otherwise you're probably gonna burn. Right. Okay. Lever. Okay, works. So now you might want to put netherrack on it so it burns forever until you put it out. So now netherrack. So as you can see, this is just a short video, just to show you how to build a furnace. Whoa, what is this netherrack? Netherrack, right. I think that's it, yeah. So if you have netherrack here, the fire should never go out. Netherrack. So let me just show you. Wait, no, we have to finish it off first. So then we're gonna need. So okay, just first destroy blocks around it. This will be for water, so that if your fire goes out of control, there'll be some water around it. Because this has happened to me quite a few times before. So it's all full up. Right, okay. So you need to have it full up. I know manual before. This is just a demonstration. I don't care if this little cup burns down. Anyway, so flint and steel. Ta-da. So that should never go out unless you put water or something on top of it. Right, anyway, so I'll say goodbye to you now. So bye-bye. See you again later.